Hi, I'm Dr. Camille Wheeler. I am the coordinator of assessment in the School of Education, and what I love most about education is meeting the needs of my students and seeing those light bulb moments and seeing them be successful in the field. Education really is the only field where we have a hand in every career path that a child takes. It is the foundation of every career in America. It all starts when they walk in that door in kindergarten, and it doesn't stop when they graduate in high school. It continues on, and the foundation that they get all through their educational career sets them up on the pathways for what they're going to do later in life. Our students just aren't just the subjects that we're teaching. They are a whole child, and they have so much variation in their needs. And we as educators have to be prepared to meet all of the needs of our children, not just their educational needs, but we have to meet every need that they have, or be able to send them to someone else who can meet that need. So I think it's really important that we're not just preparing them to come in and lecture in class, but we're actually preparing them to teach to the whole child. And one of the really unique things that I don't think other people in Arkansas really know and understand is that the UAFS School of Education is leading the way in the state of Arkansas for our education program. We are piloting multiple programs with the Arkansas Department of Education. We were the first in the state to have embedded education classes where our college coursework takes place in local public school systems. But more than that, those teachers are turning over a little bit of control of their classroom to our students. They're giving them small groups of students to work with. They're having them come in and read aloud with the students. They're having them come in and teach mini lessons to the students. So they're really able to kind of get more experience and that hands-on real world experience that they need to really truly prepare them to be day one ready.